Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this app, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today fuzzy logic. Introduction. Fuzzy logic has rapidly become one of the most successful of today's technology for developing sophisticated control system. The reason for which is very simple. Fuzzy logic addresses such applications perfectly as it resembles human decision making with an ability to generate precise solution from certain of approximate information. It fills an important gap in engineering design method left vacant by purely mathematical approaches, example linear control design, and purely logic based approaches, example expert system in system design. While other approaches require accurate equations to model real-world behaviors, fuzzy design can accommodate of real-world human language and logic. It provides both an initiative method of describing system in human terms and automated conversion of those system specification into effective models. Fuzzy logic is a subset of Boolean logic that has been extended to handle the concept of partial truth value between completely true and completely false. The initial characteristics of fuzzy logics are follows. In fuzzy logic, abstract reasoning is viewed as a limiting cases of approximate reasoning. In fuzzy logic, everything is a matter of degrees. Any logic system can be fuzzified. In fuzzy logic, knowledge is interpreted as a collection of elastic or equivalently fuzzy constraint on a collection of variables. The third statement has defined Boolean logic as a subset of fuzzy logic. Fuzzy sets. A paradigm is a set of rules and regulation which is defined boundaries and tells us what to do be successful in solving problem within these boundaries. For example, the use of transistors instead of vacuum tube in a paradigm shift. Likewise, the development of fuzzy set theory from conventional set theory is a paradigm shift. Fuzzy set operations. Union. The membership functions of the union of two fuzzy sets and A and B with membership functions are respectively is defined as the maximum of two individual membership functions. This is called maximum creation. Creations is defined in this picture, that is defined the fuzzy step operation in unions. Membership A, membership B, membership A and B. How do fuzzy sets differ from classical sets? In a classical set theory, we assume that all sets are well defined or crisp. That is, given any object in our universe, we can always say that object either is or is not the member of particular set. Classical set. This set of pupils that can run a miles in 4 minutes or less. The set of children under age 7 that weigh more than 100 pounds. Fuzzy set, the set of fast runners, the set of overweight children. Why fuzzy controls? Fuzzy logic is technique to embody human-like thinking into control system. A fuzzy controller is designed to emulate human detective thinking, that is, process people use to infer conclusion from what they know. Traditional control approaches require formal modeling of the physical reality. Little more on fuzzy control. Fuzzy controllers are very simple conceptually. They consist of an input stage or processing stage and an output stage. The input stage maps sensor or the other inputs such as switches, thumb wheels and so on to the appropriate membership functions and truth values. The processing stage invokes each appropriate rules and generate a result for each the combine the result of the rules. Finally, the output stage convert the combined result back into specific control output value. How far can fuzzy logic go? It can appear almost any place where computer and modern control theory are overly precise, as well as in tasks requiring delicate human intuition and experience-based knowledge. What does the future hold? Computer that understood and respond to normal human language. Machines that write interesting novels and screenplays, selective styles such as. Thank you so much for watching this video.